was rolling down the highway, listening to my radio. You know, the news was crying, bad to worse. The world's so full of woe. Sound familiar? When I spied a bumper sticker that said it oh so good. It said, "Honk if you love Judas," and in parentheses, Jesus would. Honk if you love Judas. Don't you know Jesus would? He taught compassion, peace and brotherhood. So turn the other cheek in the love for which he stood. Yes, and honk if you love Judas, 'cause you know that Jesus would. Well, those words got me to thinking about the love that Jesus gave to the soldiers driving in the nails that sent him to his grave. He said, "Love those who hate us," and he showed us that we could. Oh, so honk if you love Judas. Jesus would. Come on now. Honk if you love Judas. Don't you know Jesus would? He taught compassion, peace and sisterhood. So turn the other cheek in the love for which he stood. Yes, and honk if you love Judas, 'cause you know that Jesus would. But it's such a heavy challenge. This old world's so filled with night, and there's always some reason to hate someone or fight. But Jesus said it clearly. Love is not misunderstood. You either feel it or you don't. So honk if you love Judas, 'cause you know that Jesus would. Come on now. Honk if you love Judas. Don't you know Jesus would? He taught compassion, peace and humanhood. So turn the other cheek in the love for which he stood. Yes, and honk if you love Judas, 'cause you know that Jesus would. We're a-singing, honk if you love Judas, 'cause you know that Jesus would. Yes, he would.